What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see from the title, that this look is about Lohri and also Makarsakranti special, which is Indian festival to you guys, and I wanted to go ahead and do it a little bit more of a special look for you. And I am all traditional today, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up before you head on start, and also subscribe if you haven't done so, and do not forget to share my video with your friends and family, and also do follow me on Instagram as Makeupdilse. And without further ado, let's get right on to the video. Hey guys, welcome back. So as you guys know from the title, that today I'm gonna go ahead and do a Lohri special for you guys. I am going to use my Too Faced chocolate gold palette for the first time. I haven't even swatched it, which if this video is not too long, then I'll probably do that at the end for you guys. And today is a perfect day to use the Too Faced Just Peachy Matte palette, as the Too Faced gold palette actually has just few of the matte shades for us to work with, and I want to make sure that I have wide variety of range to work with, just in case if I want to reach for anything else. So that's what we have. And I really wanted to do the full face glam for you guys, but unfortunately I couldn't do that because both of my batteries were dead. So while one was being charged, I actually did this much. So I just wanted to go and update you as to what I have on. I do have my Benefit Brow Zing and some of the other Benefit products to do my brows today. I carved them out using the Bobbi Brown Pro palette, which has the concealer and foundation in. And then the foundation, I use Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Desert Beige, which is really my #1 foundation at the moment, and I am using that with a beauty blender. And this is all I have on so far, and I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing the rest of the face in front of you guys. Today I'm taking Tarte Cosmetics Rainforest of the Sea Aqua Concealer. The shade I have here is the light medium neutral. I really like it. This is like a water-based formula, and it does not cake up or crease up or anything. One time it did, and I didn't like that, but the more I tried, the more I liked it. To set the under eyes, I'm going to go ahead and take MAC Cosmetics Mineralized Skin Finish Natural. The shade I have here is the Light Plus. Onto a Sigma Tapered Highlighter Brush F35, which I really like to actually set my under eye concealer just so it can go very close to my lower lash line and set it all in place. Once I'm done setting the under eyes only, I'm going to go ahead and take my contour stick. This is also by Wet n Wild. The color I have here is 806 Wears Walnut. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that and contour. To set my contour, I like to take a contour color powder. This one right here is Medium Tan Sand by Tarte Cosmetics Amazonian Clay Powder. Go ahead and take that onto a separate brush and just set the contour in place. Take that around my nose as well. This acts as a transition shade for my contour. For the rest of the face, I'm going to go ahead and set it with e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is the finishing powder in light to medium, and this is what that looks like. I'll take that onto a e.l.f. Cosmetics fluffy brush. Because we did our face first, I definitely want to prevent any fallout to damaging my makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and take the RC Matte Translucent Powder, and I'm going to apply extra layer of powder under my eyes, and I will also be actually carving my contour out with that. The brush I'm using is by Crown Brushes C473 Pro Contour Brush. I'm going to go ahead and clean the contour. To prep my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and take the NYX Cosmetics Skin Tone Eyeshadow Base, one of my favorite, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over my eyelids. Go ahead and blend that with the Deluxe Crease Brush. This one right here is by Real Technique. This I'm going to go ahead and take the shade called Rollin' in Dough, and which is this matte shade right over here. Since this palette lacks a highlight shade, I'm going to go ahead and take my NARS Cosmetics. This is the Bourre de Plage, something like that. And I'm going to go ahead and take a highlight shade from this. Taking taking the same highlighter towards my inner corner as well. As usual, I will always like to go back once I'm done with the eye look, just to intensify it even more. But so the first shade I will be taking is called So Bougie, which is this one right over here. It is apply that into the crease. The next transition shade that I want to use is called Cocoa Truffle, which is this one right here. But however, Peach Tea actually is more like a lighter tone than the Cocoa Truffle, and I want to do this color first, then the Cocoa Truffle. So I'm going to go ahead and take Peach Tea, but if you don't have this palette, then I would just go ahead and apply Cocoa Truffle. Alright, I will now be taking the Cocoa Truffle from the Gold Bar palette. With the first brush, just going to go ahead and blend the outer edges. Peach Tart from this palette, which is a richer chocolate color. I'm going to also mix that with the chocolate dipped. And I'll apply that right into the crease just towards the outer corner for more extra depth. I'm going to take the black shade from it as well, and I'm going to go ahead and take that onto, this is a random brush, but I believe was my very first brush from Maybelline, and I still have this, still love it. I'm going to go ahead and pack that right into the outer corner to create more of a smoky look. My crown brush that I used for the dark brown, I'm just going to go ahead and blend this very lightly. We don't want to spread it everywhere. We don't want to create a black eye. You're going to keep it where you applied it. With my NYX Cosmetics Skin Tone Eyeshadow Base, I'm going to go ahead and create a cut crease, and okay, so apparently this eyeshadow base is not that easy to work with when it comes to cut crease. I'm going to go back to my MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre, which is what I have been using anyways. I'm again going to make it a little bit more of a bigger lid. I'm actually interested in a more of an ombre look today, so the first shade I will be taking is golden tone, and then I will be taking a bronze tone and more of a copper tone. I'm going to take the Famous first and apply that towards the inner crease. Oh wow. I'm going to take a different brush because that's just old money, looks like that. I'm going to apply that right next to it. Okay, actually tasted very sweet in my mouth. I mean, you're not supposed to eat the eyeshadows, but if they fall into your mouth, that's chocolate. I'm going to take the Love and Cocoa, which is the copper shade, you guys, and apply that to the outer corner. And work on my lower lash line. For that, I'm going to go ahead and just start with the Cocoa Truffle. I'll see 231 brush and apply that. Go ahead and take my usual Cargo Cosmetics Black Sea Eye Pencil and apply that in the waterline. Using a black shade, and I'm going to take that onto a flat definer shading brush from this palette. I'm going to go ahead and take Peach Tart, and also we'll be mixing the chocolate dipped onto the pencil brush and actually smoke this out. Alright, for the inner corner highlight, I actually changed my mind, so I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Famous, which is actually towards the inner corner anyways. I'm going to go ahead and bring that towards the inner corner as well, just so we have like a gold all throughout. And I'm really enjoying all the fallouts in my mouth right now. That is just like sweet chocolate. And to intensify it, I'm going to go ahead and take my Jeffree Star Cosmetics highlighter in Skin Frost in Peach Goddess. For the bronzer, you guys, I'm going to go and go back to my NARS palette. The contour, I'm going to go and take this is Pacifica Sun Kissed bronzer, and I'm going to go ahead and actually contour. I love this bronzer so much that I can use this as a bronzer or a contour and it never fails me. I also take Pacifica Natural Beauty. This is their item duo number 1. I like to mix them both together. I like to apply that under my eyes and it gives me just that perfect natural glow. Alright, so for the highlight, I'm going to go and take the JCat Beauty You Glow Girl in Moonlight, and I'm going to go and apply that with a stippling brush. For the lips, I'm going to go and go back with the Metal Cocoa. This one right here is by Profusion Beauty. I actually went ahead and used my same lipstick for the bindi as well. I'm going to go and take, this is MAC Cosmetics Glitter in Reflects Bronze. I'm going to apply this first, just so it has something to stick on. This pretty much is the finished look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the link to your right so you can subscribe and stay tuned and be part of my Dilse family. And other than that, I love you guys, and I'll definitely see you in my next video.